So if you're a DJ out there and you're not playing your usual gig at Ultra or Tomorrowland, a lot of the times the club is going to offer you maybe a 6-foot table. You want the table at a good height so that you're not crouched over like this. You want it where your arms are at a 90-degree angle. You want the crowd, you want the audience to see your face. So what I have found is a great product on Amazon. It's called Lift Your Table. All you have to do is show up with 4 of these. You just slide it in. Bam. When you're performing, posture is very important. First impressions are very important. It's all about branding. Sometimes when I've showed up to a gig, the table is on cinder blocks, and that makes me so nervous with somebody's $6,000 CDJs sitting on it that somebody could easily push over, knock over. You've got good posture, you're looking up, you're smiling, you're engaging. These can fit into luggage. These can fit into a backpack. It's incredibly affordable for somebody looking for a good DJ table solution.